Now, India is pursuing Vijay Mallya's extradition with higher authorities in the United Kingdom. United Kingdom Government Home Office has conveyed India's request for extradition of Mallya that has been stratified by Secretary of State. This was revealed by the Ministry of External Affairs. They further conveyed that it is sent to Westminster Magistrates Court for a district judge to consider the issue of releasing of warrant. Ministry of External Affairs sharing that now there's a fast-track process to get Vijay Mallya back. Big news coming in. Gaurav giving us more details. Yes, Gaurav.
Gopal Bagle, the spokesperson for the Government of India on foreign relations, said that the government had conveyed India's request for speedy extradition of Vijay Mallya. This had been stratified by the Secretary of State, and this means that this was further taken to the Magistrates Court, the court that has to order the extradition. So India is pursuing it in the right earnest. They've been sent to a district judge to consider the issue of releasing a warrant. So this means that if a warrant is issued against Vijay Mallya, his extradition to face justice in India, to face legal action in India, will be carried forward further, according to the Ministry of External Affairs. So the Westminster Magistrates Court district judge has been sent the request. Now the matter is in court, and it remains to be seen how quickly can India hope to have the judiciary in the UK take up this matter.
9,000 crore defaulter, absconding business tycoon Vijay Mallya, but could he be back home soon, as there is a further process on his extradition request by India in the United Kingdom? But Gaurav, going by the past record, there have been 9 such requests raised by India, including of Tiger Hanif, Rajesh Kapoor, Jatinder Kumar Angurala, Sanjeev Kumar Chawla, as well Shaikh Sadiq, Ashok Malik. They are all pending with the UK government. Going by the past record, do we have a reason to hope that Vijay Mallya would be extradited by the UK soon?
Now it's beyond the government and in the judiciary. So now the case will be presented to the judiciary in terms of this is the evidence against him, and that is why extradition is sought. And 9,000 crore, as you rightly pointed out, is a huge sum of money. So this is where, it's for the court there to take a call in terms of issuing a warrant. And should that happen, the process will move forward. But government is saying that they are pursuing this case in the right earnest and will not let their eyes off the ball.
All right. Thanks, Gaurav, for joining us.